Cell News.
Hello and welcome to Cell News. I am your host, George Hansen, with our weather reporter, Marcus Dinkelheimer, and our sports reporter, Jake Buchanan. Now we're going to go live here with Marcus with the weather. So, Marcus, how's the weather doing out there?
Well, George, as you can see in our eukaryotic cell, the cytoplasm is very slick. Oh, look, we got our first guest cell. Well, sorry folks, our guest speaker just fell down the whirlpool. Well, back to you, George.
Thanks, Marcus. Now we're going to go live with Jake Buchanan with the cell membrane.
Well, folks, as you can see, we're here with the cell membrane. Cell membrane, what would you like to say? Okay, back to you, George.
Okay, folks, we have a very special guest speaker tonight. The prokaryotic cell that tried to invade our city last week. So, prokaryotic cell, how has your life been doing?
It stinks. All I want to do is invade one cell, but no, the dumb cell membrane has to foil my plans for cell domination at every turn. Oh!
Okay, folks, well, I guess the cell membrane just killed our prokaryotic cell. Okay, now we're going to Marcus Dinkelheimer to show us around the ribosome.
Thanks, George. Well, we're inside the ribosome here with the man in charge. Well, what do you think about the invasions that have been happening more and more around our city?
I think it stinks because every time somebody messes up, we have to go back to the beginning of the production line and get more ribosomes for the nucleus to feed the people in the city.
Well, there you have it. Back to you, George.
I'm handsome.
Sorry.
Well, there you have it. Now we're going to go to the lab scene with the mitochondria. Okay, well, we're here at the mitochondria, and as you can see behind me, 2 workers are turning protein into energy and then sitting down the production line to be sent to the ER. Hey, well, while we're here, why don't we interview one of the workers? Well, hello, what do you think about the glorious city inside the cell?
Well, I think it's nice and all, but wouldn't it be nicer if no one was trying to invade our glorious cell city?
Yes, thank you. The mitochondria worker, alright, now it's time to take back to the cell headquarters. Oh my, it's very tiring to walk 5 hours straight right back from the organelles. Good thing that the cell wall protects us from invaders. Okay, now we can go live here with Marcus with the DNA, but the nucleus will let us in, and also the lysosomes need to clean. Now we go here live with the nucleus.
Thanks, George. So, nucleus, how's the boss of the cell doing?
It's good. It's going great. I just got a message from the Golgi apparatus saying the vacuums are all full.
Well, the chloroplast is doing lots of work. What do you think about that?
I think it's awesome that our organelles are doing work.
Well, there you have it. The boss of the cell is really happy about his organelles going back to work. Back to you, George.
Thanks, Marcus. We just have one more guest tonight, and it's your one and only DNA.
I'm a person's genes.
Well, there you have it, folks. Jordan's next time in the Cell News.